Ever wondered how to navigate the complex process of dissolving a limited partnership in real estate? Look no further, as this guide will shed light on some of the scenarios where dissolution makes sense and provide actionable steps to make the process as smooth as possible. Firstly, you might consider dissolution for strategic restructuring. This could involve revising your real estate investments or adjusting partnership dynamics. In this case, thoroughly review your portfolio and investment goals, have open discussions with all partners, and engage legal counsel to assess implications and legal requirements. Secondly, divergent investment objectives among partners could lead to a misalignment of interests. To resolve this, facilitate open communication among partners, and if differences persist, explore dissolution as an option. A mutual agreement for the dissolution process should be drafted, with legal guidance sought to ensure fairness and legality. Thirdly, an underperforming venture may necessitate dissolution of a limited partnership. Evaluate the performance of the venture, and if improvement efforts are futile, consider dissolution as a viable exit strategy. Develop a plan that safeguards the interests of all partners while exiting the underperforming venture. Lastly, shifts in the real estate market or regulatory changes could necessitate a change in your investment approach. Stay informed about market trends and regulatory developments, and if the current partnership structure becomes obsolete, initiate discussions about the need for dissolution, obtaining legal counsel to ensure compliance with any new regulations. Once you've decided to dissolve, there are several steps to follow. Open, transparent communication channels with all partners to gain consensus on the decision. Engage legal counsel to review the partnership agreement and identify any legal obligations or requirements. Collaborate with legal professionals to draft a dissolution agreement, outlining the terms, responsibilities, and timelines clearly. Determine the financial implications of the dissolution on each partner, and develop a plan for partner buyouts or payouts. File the necessary paperwork with state authorities to dissolve the limited partnership and obtain any required approvals or clearances. Lastly, facilitate the orderly distribution of assets among partners, ensuring compliance with tax regulations during asset distribution. In summary, dissolving a limited partnership in real estate requires careful thought, open communication, and meticulous planning. While the process can be complex, understanding the reasons for dissolution and following the outlined steps can make the process more manageable and less daunting. Remember, professional advice is invaluable in navigating this intricate process, and patience is key to achieving a successful dissolution. Are you seeking a real estate investing partner in or around Minneapolis? Partner with us. We have the expertise, know-how, and capability to identify, acquire, renovate, sell, or manage real estate investments. There's really nothing we can't do in the realm of real estate. It's all about working with the right people and creating value for our partners. We love collaborating with everyone from new investors to seasoned investors. Contact us today, Laker Real Estate Services. Find us at lakerrealestate.com or call or text us at 763-645-4617. We look forward to hearing from you and doing business with you.